Trace Integrated 3, it is problem 7-25. It says, solve each of the following equations to the nearest thousandth. And so it's got some exponential equations, and so we just learned how to solve these using logarithms. So I'll just show how to do those. So letter A. So now you guys know how to solve these exponentials. So letter A, you're trying to get the x by itself, but it's up in the exponent. And there's no way to get it down unless you take the logarithm of both sides. Then you can use one of the properties of logarithms that helps you get that x minus 3 to come down out of the exponent. So all you do is you take the logarithm of both sides, and then you use your property of logarithms that says this exponent can come out front and multiply. And so that's kind of what I did right here. But then I divided both sides by log of 5.82 because I'm trying to get that x minus 3 by itself. So that's what I'm showing right here. I canceled it out. Okay, and then, so this is just algebra right here. And then I had to add 3 to both sides to get the x by itself. And then here I just put it in my calculator. So I hit the log key and I hit 120 and I push the equal sign just to make sure that it does the order of operations correctly. And then I said divided by log 5.825. And then I added a 3 to it and I got this. Okay, and so the second problem, it starts out like this. And then, so what you want to do is whittle your way down to get that exponent, so you can bring it down. So the first thing you want to do is divide both sides by 18. And then I divided it on my calculator and found out that it was actually just 50. And then you're ready to log both sides of the equal sign so that you can bring this exponent down out front. So now it's showing that I brought this, see the 2x minus 1, it was up here, and now it came down out front because of the power rule for exponents and for logarithms. And so then I'm going to divide both sides by log 1.2, and then that cancels out. And then I get that 2x minus 1 equals log 50 over log 1.2. Then I can add 1 to both sides. So now we're up here. And then I can divide both sides by 2. But instead of dividing both sides by 2, I just multiply by a half. Because that's easier. It looks nicer. And then I think what I did is I just stuck this in my calculator. Because I can just type it right into my little, it's just a plain old little calculator. You can type it right in. And then I pushed equals, and then I divided it by 2, and I got this.